Welcome to my channel. Where on the evening of the covers of the Sanremo Festival, Lucio Corsi surprised the audience with an unpublished tour together with Topo Gigio, playing the famous song In the Blue Painted Up Blue by Domenico Modugno. The choice has aroused curiosity and interest both for the originality of the combination and for underlying meaning. The history of the song In the Blue Painted Blue, commonly known as Flying, in a 1958 song written and played by Domenico Modugno, and it happened today.